How to use Hoop application. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Hoop application. Now click on continue with Google. Now select your Google account. Now enter your name. Click on next. Now enter your date of birth. Now click on next. Now tap on done. Select your gender. Click on next. Now tap on next. Now either continue with TikTok or enter your Snapchat username. Now tap on next. Now choose your preference and click on next. Now tap on next. Now add your photo. Now choose camera or gallery. Now select your photo. Tap on crop. Now click on next. Now tap on the plus icon to send request and cross icon to remove them. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question, want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.